Hi guys, this is part 3 of my 300 video special, and this time I'm doing Ratchet and Clank free glitches. Alright, so I'm starting with the first glitch found by BeautifulTechno, how to get to that building slash house. Well, he did this glitch very complicated way, I found much easier way. So, first of all, you're gonna just thread through here. And I hope I'll not fail because I haven't done this quite a while. Damn it! Wait. Okay, let's try doing this again. Ah, damn it, stupid robot. Okay. I hope I will not fail. No. Go away, stupid turret. Go away. Ah. I don't know why isn't it working. And anytime I turn on the camera, I just fail a lot. So no. Oh, I did it, I think. No. Okay, I did it. Now jump over here and you're in here. And it's much faster way than he did, I think. Well, yeah. And if you go over there, it's not solid, you'll fall through. Okay. So that's it. Next okay, glitch. I'm in Annihilation Nation and I'm going to try this glitch for the first time. It is found by Super6 UIA and I think it's quite hard. So I'm gonna try it for the first time. He said like, go in there and then quickly charge boot. Fail. Okay. I'll just skip. Okay, let's try this again. It's gonna be done very quickly. Okay, I'm trying to line this up. Okay, I hope I did it. Let's see. Yes, I did it. So, I'm gonna try this for the first time. He said something like to hyper strike climb this. Oh, damn it, stupid camera. So like, man, I hate this camera. I really don't know what's going on. Okay, wait. Why isn't it working? Why is camera so glitchy in here? I don't know. Damn it. Let's try on the other side. It doesn't work for a reason. I don't know. Oh, you have to hyper strike this. Hyper strike climb. Okay, I'm here. And now he said something like climb up the lights. No, he said it's quite hard to hyper strike climb this. Or I don't know. Hey. I almost had it. I've got it. No. Okay, I have it, and now only the lights. Okay, and now I'm on top of the arena. It's very epic. I think you can go to the other ones also. But what about the middle? No, it's not solid. Okay, so next glitch. Okay, so this glitch is by BeautifulTechno to explore some of the platforms on my one, and I already tried this glitch to do in some takes, but failed a lot. It's like the beginning of it, it's quite challenging, and further I didn't explore. I was just failing a lot in this beginning, so yeah. Okay, I did it. Now he went in there, I think. Yeah. I don't remember much his video. Well, whatever. Okay. Now he went on this platform, for sure. It's all it. Yeah. Now he went somehow in there. He charge booted, I think. I hope I can see something because it's quite dark on the camera. So I'm gonna try stupid analog stick. Oh, I failed. I'm back, and I'm actually up here, and I just noticed you don't have to go down there. You can get like in the place where you're to go from here. Yeah, so let's do it. Let's try to do it. Yeah. Okay. Now I'm gonna be very careful doing this. I don't know where should I go? I don't know if I do have to go down there, but I think so. Yeah, I will not go up here because it's pointless. You'll end up down here anyway. So it's a very cool glitch anyway. And the ground still kills you. So that was it, pretty cool glitch. Next one. Okay, I'm on Zelda Starport, and this is a glitch by Cheesy217, and I'm trying it for the first time here on the video. So I, well, failed just so a lot. Well, anyway, what he did in his video is just, he jumped there. So let's, okay, I'm here. Now, he went on top of this thing. Branch climbing, okay. Oh, well. Now he went in there. Come on. No. I'm gonna fail. No, I'm not. Okay, I failed. So I'll just skip until. Okay, you can actually get on this building from there if you jump on that little thing. Yes. So you can get in here, and I hope I can make it in there for the first time ever. Okay, I'm here. Now he said something like grab on something, so I'm gonna try. Oh, it's quite hard. Put thruster pack back on. It's awesome glitch, but quite challenging. Okay, I'm in. Now you're just gonna keep going because this thing moves, but not with you. And now just go down here. And you're actually on the end. And can get the box breaker way faster than any other people. So this is it from this glitch. Okay. So this is the end of this part. I hope you have enjoyed it. Okay, next part is gonna be Ratchet and Clank Total Destruction glitches on the PS3. Cool. So, see you later, people.